Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process for your Teclast F7, you'll need a few essential tools. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have a clean, organized workspace to manage the screws and components safely. First, power off your Teclast F7 and unplug it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover using the plastic spudger. Start at one corner and gently work your way around to avoid damaging the casing. Once the back cover is off, set it aside in a safe place. You will notice several screws securing the battery. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws one by one. It's important to keep track of these screws, as they can vary in size. A magnetic tray can help keep them organized. With the screws removed, gently lift the battery from its compartment. If it feels stuck, use the plastic spudger to pry it loose carefully. Make sure not to apply too much force to prevent damage to the internal components. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the compartment. Use a microfiber cloth to remove any dust or debris. This will ensure a better connection and prolong the battery's lifespan. Now, position the new battery into the compartment. Make sure it aligns correctly with the connectors. Press down gently until it fits snugly. If you don't have the tools or prefer a professional service, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Next, reinsert the screws to secure the battery in place. Make sure each screw is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, as this could damage the device. If you're unsure at any point, you can always request a quote before repair, ensuring you make the best decision for your needs. Once the battery is secured, replace the back cover of the Teclast F7. Align it carefully and press down until you hear it click into place. This indicates that it is properly seated. Lastly, power on your device to ensure it boots up correctly. If you encounter any issues or feel uncomfortable performing this task, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help, and with our service, you can avoid the hassle of no calls, no travel. Just sit back, and we'll handle the rest. Your Teclast F7 should now be fully operational with a new battery. Following these steps ensures a smooth replacement process, extending the life of your device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.